Want to sign in or out of your Facebook account? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to log in and log out of Facebook on the desktop site. Now let's get started. To log into Facebook, open your preferred web browser and go to facebook.com. The login area will appear on the right. In the top text box, type in your email address or phone number depending on which one you use to create your account. Enter your Facebook password in the bottom text box. Then click Login. When you're done using Facebook and want to log out, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then click Log Out. If you've previously logged into your Facebook account on this device, you can sign back in by just clicking your profile picture on the left. Click the X if you want to remove your saved login. That's all it takes to log in and out of Facebook on the desktop site. Want to learn more about using Facebook? Check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.